Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Pinterest Ads. In this lesson, we're going to talk about an introduction to Pinterest ads. Let's get started. Pinterest ads can help your business drive brand awareness, promote video views, drive more website traffic, get conversions by driving people to take action on your website, attract potential customers, and increase your sales. Pinterest ads can be viewed on your feed just like any regular pin, except you may notice the promoted by text after the brand's logo. When you browse your Pinterest feed or search feed using the web app, you can hardly notice Pinterest ads, so anyone can click on your ad as they search for pins to click on. On the mobile app, you may notice that there are more Pinterest ads shown here. Most users are using their mobile devices to browse Pinterest. If you live outside the United States, you may encounter seldom ads or no ads at all on your web app or mobile app since Pinterest ads are not yet available on some countries. You may visit the Pinterest Help Center to check the availability of the ad on the platform. You can see here that it mentions that I'm viewing this platform from a region where ads are not yet available. If you click the button to learn more, you'll see the countries where the Pinterest ads are available. There are a few requirements that you must comply with before you can promote your pins using Pinterest ads. First, you need to have a business profile, and the pins that you'll promote must be saved on that business account. The pins that you'll promote must be saved to a public board and not on secret boards. Also, it's not recommended to use link shorteners in your pin description or URL. Also, the pin must not contain third-party videos or GIFs. And lastly, follow the Pinterest ad standards so that your promoted pins can reach more audiences and you won't violate any policy standards. You may notice once you create a pin and saved it on your board, you may see the window showing you what your pin will look like when you promote it. On that window, you can easily click the Promote button to start promoting that pin. If you click the Promote button, you will see the created ad page. Step 1 is to select a pin. This is a preview of the pin that you have selected. If people see this ad, they can view this description and the promoted by text beside your profile logo. In this section, you can see the preview for mobile devices and the desktop view. Step 2 is filling out the ad details. As you can see, the URL that we have added on this pin is already shown here. Then set the daily budget and duration for how many days you want to run the pin. Below you'll see step 3, that is to promote your pin. This shows you the total budget and your potential monthly audience size. It's an estimate of the number of people that your campaign can reach. To pay for the ads, you must add your billing. It will use the business address in your account, your email, and contact number. So be sure to input your real address here, then fill in the payment details. Now let's talk about the different Pinterest ads that you may encounter on the platform. First is the promoted pins. These types of ads are like the regular pins that you may find on the platform. This pin is boosted to reach more people depending on the target audiences and demographics you have set. You can use promoted pins to increase your brand awareness, promote engagement, or drive traffic to your website. These types of ads are just regular pins or images that you have uploaded on your business profile. Next, promoted carousels. These types of ads will allow you to use 2 images up to 5 images in one ad. This can help you showcase your brand or products using different images, allowing you to highlight different angles of your product images that you want to feature and show it to your target audiences. Next, promoted video pins. You can use videos in promoting your products or services on Pinterest. Videos are ideal for showcasing your brand or your product's best features in a few seconds. Videos can attract more people in viewing your ad, so take time to create the best video that you can have to showcase how people can use your products or services. Next, promoted app pins. This type of promoted pin allows pinners to download or install an app directly from Pinterest. Since most pinners use their mobile device to browse the platform, mobile users are more likely to see this type of pin. They can be linked to a Google Play app for Android devices or an Apple Store for Apple devices. Collections ad. These types of ads will target mobile users and they'll be able to browse and shop for a collection of pins. Go to the destination URL or save the whole collection to a custom board. You can try promoting Pinterest pins using Pinterest ads. Most pinners discover brands and products while they're browsing the platform. 50% of users buy products using the promoted pins, and you can easily monitor and analyze the data from your ad using your Business Hub's recent ads. These metrics will show you the amount you spent, impressions, saves, and link clicks. Now that you know about an introduction to Pinterest ads,
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.